Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need direct access to the SQL server. Once you confirm credentials, open Excel and go to Data, Get Data. Make sure you choose the correct connector: SQL Server for Microsoft SQL, MySQL for MySQL, or ODB if using a generic driver. Install or update the ODB driver now and test a connection in ODB data sources on Windows or use a DSN on Mac OS. Once done, select the server name and type the database. Press Connect to start the import handshake. You will now pick the authentication: Windows, database, or Microsoft account. Provide credentials and enable encryption if required. After Excel connects, use the navigator to preview tables. Alternatively, click Advanced and paste a precise SQL query to limit rows and columns. If data needs shaping, choose Transform Data to open Power Query. Filter, change types, merge, or pivot there. Once satisfied, use Load or Load to push the results into a worksheet, table, or the data model for pivots and reporting. Finish by saving the workbook and naming your query so you can refresh later. Set refresh on open or a periodic refresh. If you publish to Power BI or SharePoint, make sure credentials are stored in the data gateway. If something fails, first verify the server is reachable. Ping hostname and test with a DB client. Then confirm username/password, ODB driver compatibility, and that your firewall or VPN allows the port. These fixes resolve most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.